I got a nightmare. I became a monster, hand on some roof, house roof. Is it I'm going to damage it?
Nah, that one is Minniature Malaysia. I have a great time at that site today. I will talk with the founder, and they got a lot of interesting models there. And actually, it's a miniature city. The place is so huge. I walk and I've spent more time in talking, so I'm not like really spend time on looking one by one more detail on that part. I've seen that they have also have explanation about how 3D printing work in got videos there. So if you're interested on 3D printing, why you should go there to take a look. Even that maybe not cover everything, but it's a really great start point that what 3D printing can do. Just go to have a visit. You will learn a lot of things on that place, like how they solve the problem on building a lot of small models, and also you got electronic stuff like lightning. They got some sensor there. You touch on a button, they will show up light and move some movement inside. Also, it's really cool. I would suggest any traveler to go there. If no matter you are Malaysian or you are a foreigner to come here as a traveler visitor, you should go there to take a look. I will put the link information at the link below. You can click in to check it out, and you can see a lot of picture other people showing. I think I just put some few more picture in behind. That's it. I don't want to show everything if you're not interested. If you don't look at yourself, I'm going to show one picture, just one picture. Not count the front one, just one picture. That's from my hometown. It's the Deloitte Towers. If you have the same hometown with me, you should like it. And of course, the model is almost my hand big. It's actually quite small. I take the picture from the small corners and zoom it close up. That's why you see the huge thing. But actually, the thing is quite small. It's a miniature, remember? Except the miniature thing, today actually got another news. It's simplified 3D, got 4.1 version upgrade, and I upgraded. I'm planning to do a review on it, but the first print I'm facing this problem. After 10% of the first layer print, the excluder keep unload filament and non-stop. Yeah, my filament totally unloaded. I have no idea why it happened and how it happened. That is like I'm just set up the software slicer like normally used, and it just happened. If anyone know why this happened, please let me know why this happened and how to fix it. Let me know, because until now I'm not making any print yet. That and at the end I just go back to slicer, but actually slicer is also very good slicer. Slicer is very good slicer. So they got a good name. So I'm not using Kira. Kira only used when 2 years ago, and of course that is also a good slicer for a lot of people. And I'm not saying anything bad. What I'm talking about? Well, I like the slicer because they got a one specific function. Is one you can control L and select the face to rotate it down. That function I did make a video before. Do you know that? Oh, you don't know that? I think you should subscribe my channel, and so in future I'll upgrade something interesting. You may notice. You may get noticed that. Hit the bell, remember. Fish. See you tomorrow.